Abafundi bahlangebezane nembibizane bethi balibangise ezikoleni kulendawo njengoba abazali bebhikisha bekhala ngokungalinzekwa ngamanzi.
Ha go monate go botlhoko ka gore rona maikemisetso a rona go bona bana ba rona ba le mo sekolong ka ke tsatsi la ntlha le ka be bana ba le mo sekolong ha re gona nonyana ngwana hana dibuka tshwantse re tlo go covera ha re na le nako bothata ha re gane kganya metsi so nke be ba re tlogetse ge bana bone ba tla re kgone go ba direla dilo tse di siameng.
Abafundi bathi badumele ngokuthi izikole zizoze zivulwe ngesonto elizayo lapha.
Aka rata ka gonne ne re tshwantse re sekolong today ne ke itumetse thata go ya sekolong today ka ntlha go ra gona metsi a ke ba tshwae phoso go ba strike ba go loba ka gona gona metsi mo lehuruthi re tshwantse re nne le metsi re tlhapeng bathong ko sekolong re tshwantse re nwe re tlhape matsogo go di toilet go nkga go le maswe go nkga phu thata ka gona metsi mo lehuruthi.
ePitoli kube nokubukana ngeziqu zamehlo phakathi kwabazali bebala elinsundo kanye nabamhlophe esikoleni iDanie Laman ePitoli kulandela izinsolo zokucwasana ngokubuhlanga. Abazali abansundu basola lesi sikole ngokukhipha inyumbazane izingane zabo ngenxa yebala nakuba ke babhalisa ngesikhathi.
On Monday we were here, literally a staff member literally told us as parents this school is not meant for the K word, it's meant for them.
Abazali bebala elimhlophe bayaziphika izinsolo zokucwasana ngokubuhlanga bathi bona banaso isandla ngohlelo lokubhalisa olusetshenziswayo.
We all have to go through the same process. The government places the kids. We don't place our children. We don't walk in and we say this is your class. The government places the kids. We need to fix the system. If the system works, it will work.
EFF nayo ibikhona kulesi sikole izokweseka abazali abansundu.
The problem here has been ongoing for so many years. The racism of this school, especially in particular the SGB, the principal. We were trying to engage with the school to say, can we sit down with the SGB and the principal so that we can give you the grievances that parents have. They blatantly refused. Basically the SGB said to the principal, no, you can't see them. So this school has been run by SGBs and mafias and AfriForum and what you call this biker boys, Beitelanders, soldiers of the north. These are racist organizations that are protecting the school.
eBloemfontein Free State yonke into ihambe kahle namhlanje ekseni esikoleni samabanga aphansi iHonyana nakuba ngesonto ledlule kuthungelwe ngomlilo izinsiza kusebenza zesikole ezingabiza imali engaphezulu kwe-400 ezingamakhulu owengamele ezemfundo esifundazweni ubonge usizo abalutholile kwezinye izikole kanye nakhulumeni.
We are indeed very happy, indeed, but we are also sad because I think it was a waste. What the people did here, the criminals, really set us back. But we are very, very grateful that the people of South Africa, the suppliers of stationery, the contractors have come out to say we can help. And we are very, very excited that other schools also contributed. And we are excited that you can see that we've got all the stationery that is required.
Western Cape konke kuhambe kahle ngosuku lokuqala lokuvulwa kwezikole ezizimele. Abazali kanye nothisha bakujabulele ukuqala ukufunda ngaphansi kwesimo esejwayelekile kulandela ukuhlasela kwe-COVID-19.